Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can check your IELTS test online. So let's begin the video. So if you're following on my channel, then you would know that in the past videos I have showed you how you can apply for your IELTS test and how you can pay the IELTS fee online. I have just been through my test and now my result has came. So I'm going to tell you the two different ways in which you can check your IELTS test online. First of all, I want to tell you that if you have given your IELTS test on computer, which is a computer based IELTS test, then your result will come after 5 days of your test. And if you have given a paper based test like me, then your result will come after 13 days from the day you gave your last test. Anyways, let's move towards our PC. So here I am on my PC. First of all, you need to open any browser on your PC. So there are two ways to check your IELTS test, IELTS result. The first way is that you need to open your email, whichever you registered to the British Council when applying for the IELTS test. So here I have opened my email, and on the after the 13th day you're going to get an email from the British Council. Here it is no reply at britishcouncil.org. I'm going to open this email, and here you can see it says notification of IELTS test result. And if I want to view my result, I can just press on this view your result button. So that is the first way. For this, it's going to open the portal again where you usually sign in with your email and password from where you applied for your IELTS test. I will put this website link in the video description as well, just for your easiness. Anyways, once you log into your British Council or IELTS account, it's going to show all the tests that you have completed or that are upcoming. So here is mine, Saturday, February 5, 2022. And here you can see it is in the completed section. I'm going to press on the date, and now here it's going to show the result for this particular test. You need to go to the results section right here. We're going to press on results, and here you can see I got 8 in listening, in reading 7, writing 6.5, and unfortunately in speaking I got 6. So the overall band score for my IELTS test is 7.0, and here they're going to give you a remark as well, which is a good user. Here it's going to tell you about the improvements, and if you want to send your result to some other organizations, you can add the organization here as well. So that is the first way to check your IELTS result. The second way is to go on to this website. I will put this website link in the video description just below the like button. So here is the IELTS IDP official website to check your IELTS result. So for this, all you need to do is to enter your given name, other name, your family name. So basically these two things you have given when you were applying for the IELTS test. When you fill up the IELTS registration form, you need to enter your passport number or ID card number, whichever you chosen when applying for the IELTS test. Your date of birth, you need to select I'm not a robot, and you're just simply going to press on get results, and it's going to show you the same result that I show you from the portal. So guys, these are the two ways in which you can check your IELTS test online. And also the British Council also sends a hard copy of your test to your home address as well, whichever you have written on your IELTS registration form. So today I received the I would say the hard copy of the result, and today also the test result was announced online as well. So I got both the things on the same day. It may be not same for your case, maybe you may get the hard copy in the next day or so on, but you will most definitely get the hard copy if you have given your correct address. But these are the two ways in which you can check your IELTS result online. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.